A healthy battery starts with the right charger. The 10 amp includes one 10 amp 12-volt battery charger and maintainer, one 140-watt USB-C GaN power adapter, battery clamps, and a user manual. Attach the charger clamps to the battery terminals, ensuring proper polarity. Press the mode button to select the battery type that matches your battery. STD mode is standard mode. This is for most traditional lead-acid batteries, included flooded or wet cell batteries. Standard 1 amp mode is for low current charging mode for select lead-acid battery applications. AGM mode is for AGM and gel batteries. LI mode is for lithium batteries, also known as LFP. Using the correct mode helps ensure optimal charging performance. Plug in the included 140-watt USB-C GaN power adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to the charger. The charger automatically determines battery condition and begins charging. For weak or deeply discharged batteries, low voltage recovery may initiate before transitioning into charging mode. Once charging is complete, the charger automatically transitions into maintenance mode to keep the battery at an optimal charge level until it's ready to be used.